Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you again after first quarter exams. Today we are going to start the first unit, the unit number 3, and the name of the unit is number system. We have the first definition here of this unit. The definition is base of a number system. The number of a digit involved in a number system is called the base of that number system. For example, if we have numbers involved, for example 0 and 1, then this number system is called base 2 or binary system. So base 2 number system with base 2, a number system formed by two digits 0 and 1 is called the binary system, and its base is 2. Number system with base 5, this number system involves 5 digits. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 5 digits which are 0 to 4, they are involved in it, and its base is 5. Then the number system with base 8. Number system with base 8. The number system with base 8 is called octal system. In this system, 8 digits are involved, and those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these digits are used in it. Then comes the decimal number system. In this system, 10 digits are involved, and these numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 10 digits which are involved in it, and it is called decimal system, and its base is 10. So students, today we have learned about the number system, that is binary number system with base 5, number system with base 8, and the decimal number system. Now we come to the exercise. Convert the following decimal system into decimal system. Now we have different number system here, and we have to change them into decimal number system. So the first one is, we have 101. We read it as 101. So what we will do, how we will change into decimal system, we first of all we will make write number on the digits, like 0 we write 0 on the first digit, then 1 on the second, and then 2 on this first. These numbers represents the power. Now we write this 1 here, this is the 1, and then we write multiply 2, this which is the base, and this power 2, this power 2 will come on this number. This is how we write. Then we write plus sign, and then we write this 0. Then we write the 0. This is the 0. We write this 0 here. Then we write this base 2 here, and then the power, this power will become, this 1 becomes the power of this base. So in this way we write all the numbers which are in the base 2, and then the next number comes is 1. So we write 1 here, this 1 comes here. Then we write 2 base 2 multiply 2, and this power which we show here 0, this power will be the power of 2. Now we know that power, if power of a number is 0, of any number, then that number will equals to 1. So 2 power 2, it is become 4. 2 power 1 is 2, but when it is multiplied with 0, it will become 0. And 1, and this 2 power 0, it will become 1 into 1 into 1. And when we write 1 into 1, it will become 1. So we add 4 and 1, and we get the answer 5. Similarly, in the next question, we have the number 2044. Now there are 4 digits. So we start from this 4, we make the power 0, we write 1, we write 2 over this, and then we write 3 over this. So what will happen? First we start from this 2, this 2 will write here, then we write multiply base this 5, this 5 is the base, and we multiply with this 5, and then this power 3 will come here, 5 power 3. Similarly, the next number is 0. So what will we do? We write this 0, this 0 here, 0, and then this base 5 multiply with 5, and where this power 2 come from? This is the power which is present on this 2, this power will come here, 5 power 2. Then the next number is the number 4. This number is the 4 number. So what will we do? We write 4 here, then we write this base 5 here, multiply 5, and the power of this 4 is 1, so we write 1 here. Next number is 4 again, and the power of 4 is 0, so we write 4 multiply 5 power 0. So 4 and 5 power 0. Now this 5 power 0, 5 power 0 means power of any number when it becomes 0, then that number will be equals to 1. That number will equals to 1. Now what will we do? Now this 2 is multiplied with 5 power 3. Now 5 power 3 is 125. So 2 is multiplying with 125. 125. And when the 0 is multiplied with any number, it will become 0. So this number is as a whole becomes 0. Now 4 fives are, this is 20. So we write 20 here, and plus 4 multiply 5 power 0 is 1. So when we multiply 2 with 125, we get this number, which is 250. So we get 250, then we write 0, 20, and 4 multiply 1. 250, 0, 20, and 4. And when we add them, we get 274. So this is the answer, and this number is the decimal system, because in decimal system, what numbers are involved? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is 2, 7 and 4. These are the digits which are involved in. Now we come to the next question. Now this is the fourth part. Here again we have 7016. So on this 6 we write 0. On this 1 we write power 1. On this 0 we write power 2. On 7 we write power 3. Now what will we do? First we write this 7 here. 7. Then we multiply by 8. Now why we multiply by 8? Because here is the base 8. Now why this 8 has power 3? Because this number 7 here, it has power 3. 7 and there is power 3 over it. So we write this power 3 over 8, 8 power 3. Then the new number will be 0. So this we write, this is the 0, we write here this 0. And now again we write multiply with 8. This is the base 8. And why base 8 has 2 power? Because the 0 has 2 here. Here we have 2. So here we write 2. Okay. Ne the next number will be, the next number is 1. So we write 1, multiply 8 and power of this 1 is 1. So 8 power 1. Next come the number 6. This number is 6. We write 6 and then we write 8. And what is present on 6? 6 over there is 0. So 8 power 0. Now 7 and 8 power 3 means 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 3 times and we get 512. So 7 multiply 512. 0, 8 ones are 8 and 6 ones are 6. Now we have 3584 plus 8 and plus 6. We add them and we will get the answer 3598, which is a decimal system. So in this way we see, we convert the binary system into decimal, we convert the base 5 system into decimal, and in this part we convert the octal number into decimal number.